See, Natyavihar Kala Kendra Charity Trust, Hema Malini has applied in 7 April 1994 to the collector for the allotment of land in Warsaw for Cultural Academy. Let's give you the history. On 18th December 1996, the collector have written to Hema Malini saying that the plot number 161, survey number 161, plot number 7 have been allotted to Natyavihar Kala Kendra Trust of about 1741 square meter. Letter number 3, she paid on 2nd January 2002 rupees 10 lakhs as an occupation price of plot number 7, layout number 1, Warsaw, survey number 161, Andheri.
What was the price that you gave?
Sorry?
10 lakhs.
Rupees 10 lakhs. Next, from 2002 till 2007, the government declared this is the CRZ, which she cannot construct anything in this particular plot at Warsaw. 2007 July 23, then Revenue Minister Shri Narayan Rane, she applied again for saying that this plot cannot be constructed, so please give me alternate area which she has identified through the collector somewhere in Ambivli, and she has demanded for 5,000 square meters instead of Warsaw land. In 2007 written to Narayan Rane. In 2010, government made a notification saying that the particular plot layout of survey number 161, where Messrs. Natyavihar Kala Academy Charitable Trust, which has gone under the CRZ, instead of that Ambivli land, which is 29,360 square meter, is reserved for garden and 18 meter wide DP road, out of which 2,000 square meter of land from garden to Natyavihar Kala Kendra for the purpose of granting it to the said trust for the use of music, art and dance, which was written by the government of Maharashtra, Urban Development Department, dated 30th July 2010. Now 2010, after the notification, 2012, the collector of Mumbai Suburban District had written to Additional Chief Secretary Revenue saying that de-reservation of this particular area of 2,000 square meter can be given to Natyavihar Kala Kendra. This is the letter. 2012, then 2013, again Srimati Hema Malini had written to the Honorable Chief Minister, then Shri Prithviraj Chauhan, so please hand over the land to me which has been allotted to me. 2014, the government got changed, the new government came. Fortunately, she also became the MP in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh from BJP. In central and in state, BJP took over as the new government. 1 year, 2 months, the new revenue minister have studied the whole project. And on 23rd December 2015, by the new letter from the revenue department, have made the allotment which has been made in 2010 and 2012 for the said plot has been given to Hema Malini. Now January 15, 2016, related to the project which she has submitted to the then government of 2010, the same have been confirmed by the revenue department and is written to Hema Malini saying that out of 29,000 square meter land, 2,000 square meter land will be given to her to develop her Natya Academy, and the remaining 27,000 square meter land have to be developed as a garden by her trust and given back to BMC, which she will not have any claim on it. That means the land has to be developed as a garden by her, should be given back to BMC, then BMC may hand over to anybody and they will look after the maintenance of that particular garden. That means only 2,000 square meter land have been allotted to her. This is the whole history of Natyavihar Kala Kendra from 1994 till 2016. 22 years struggle of Hema Malini to get a land which is in front of you.
Hema ji, what is the price at which this land has been allotted? The 2,000 square meter, square feet.
What is the price? It is it's a government rate, no? Whatever it
No,
is.
because at the center of the entire issue is the fact that the 70 crore land has been allotted to you for 70,000. That is what
70
I'm asking.
crore, what is it 70 crores? I just
So
don't
what is the
understand.
market rate of that? What is the market price of that?
The market price is not been given. See, they have said that the application may be granted in 1/2/1976. After that, the new letter saying about the particular price is not been received. Whether it is 70,000, whether it is 70 lakhs, is not been mentioned in the letter which has to come. This is a speculative price as per normally. Whenever the government revenue land have been issued, is normally they mention 1/2/1976 ready reckoner rate. So that's why it has been calculated on that 1/2/1976 rate. It is not been clear whether it is 1/2/1976 ready reckoner rate or it is 1st January 2016's ready reckoner rate. So whenever it will be coming, the exact amount we will let you know.
At the moment, we don't know.
Himaji, you were allotted a plot earlier. Have you returned that plot? Do you have any?
See, first of all, let me thank all of you for coming and making this issue so big. And then the entire world, not only nation-wise, but internationally also it has become very popular. So thank you so much for making my institute very, very popular. Thanks to you all. But it has been a struggle for me for the last 20 years. I've been asking for this land, which I think most of you know about it. And in fact, you all used to ask me, "Ki aapka land mil gaya?" Then I used to say no. Oh, you all used to be part of this thing, you know. Many of the media people have been part of it. And as he has given the whole entire history from 94, I asked, then it was given to me. But I paid the money for that, 10 lakhs of rupees I paid that time. And then it became a CR zone. Because of coastal regulation restriction, I could not do anything about it. So I have been telling the government to give me another piece of land. So they showed me one or two places which was not actually very suitable to me. But I continued my asking them. So finally it was given, they showed me Ambivali. Ambivali is the place, I don't even know where it is. They said this is the place and here you can, this can be used for you. But you have to make that entire garden, which you people are speculating, the entire thing is for me, it's not for me. It's for the institute, and then rest is a beautiful garden like Joggers Park and all. I have to make it and give it to BMC, which they will maintain it. So even for me to enter, maybe I'll have to ask their permission. It is like that. But it's a very big task for me to make that entire garden, apart from my institute coming up. So my institute is, it's been a long dream for me. For the last 20 years I've been asking and wanting to establish a dance institute, which is my right, which I wanted, because I'm a dancer. As an artist I've been wanting it, because I want to part my knowledge of dance music to the public, to the children of today. Is very, very essential today, because our Indian culture is slowly deteriorating. The classical dance form, the music is all there, but so much of influence of Western is coming up. So it is necessary to have an institute like this, which was my dream from a long back, which is coming true. And it will have various kinds of classical dance, Hindustani music, Carnatic music, all kind of fine arts, everything is going to be. And people of Maharashtra, Mumbai will be very proud to have such an institute. I'm not saying there is no other institute, there are many are there, and very beautiful institutes are there. But it is, as an artist, even I have the right to have an institute where I want to impart this beautiful knowledge of dance music to the children, and it will be all free of cost. So all form of things, not only dance music recording, how to do a stage craft, how to be on the stage, the costumes, photography, all kind of thing I want to give, impart this kind of knowledge with a library and many things there. So that is coming true. So I need so much space, and it is going to be a pride of this area. So I think there should not be any objection for you people, and you all made such an issue out of it. So I was wondering what is happening.
No, Himaji, we have no issues. One question, you said you paid 10 lakhs for the earlier plot. How much money have you paid this time around for the new plot?
These are not yet. I have to now get everything organized. I don't even know how much I have to pay, but before that, you people know. You are all saying कि oh she has not handed over the land. अरे मेरे हाथ में land आ जाएगा, then I will be giving ना. So I have to give. Why should I keep the other land in my hand for what?
So you will be
But see, that land was not given to me for the last so many years. It is just lying there because they say it is CR zone. Now I will hand over it right today. Tomorrow maybe some builder will build something. I don't know what will happen. They are saying it is CR zone even today, but anything can happen. But once I am getting this, I am paying. I have not yet paid. I will pay everything. Everything according to the rules of the government I will be going through. जो भी नियम होता है सरकार का उसके हिसाब से मैं सब कुछ करूँगी. जो भी पेमेंट करना है कैसा करना है सब कुछ उसके हिसाब से होगा. इसके उल्टा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. इट इज़ एन इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर द सोसाइटी, फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, फॉर द पीपल, नॉट फॉर मी. इट्स नॉट फॉर माई पर्सनल यूज. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
the market price is still not determined. So once the market price is known, suppose for example it is 70 crores, will you still buy that land?
Of course I'll take it. It's my dream. It is coming true. I see. I struggled this for the last so many years. Vilas Rao Deshmukh ji, Sushil Kumar Shinde ji, then Prithviraj Chauhan ji, and then now Khadse ji is as a revenue minister. He is able to. He is also not just giving me like that. He also took 1 year to understand the whole thing. Because 20 साल से क्या हो रहा है करके, and then finally he is allotting this place.
See, there
But at
is,
any cost you want to buy it. So whatever the market cost is.
Yes.
see, there is you don't worry. We are not going to give it back to the land, because one is the land. Sometimes, if you could see the entire Mumbai's land, which has been allotted for many purposes, for the purpose of the society, whether it is education, culture, charity, all those lands, the price have to be taken into the consideration as a discounted price.
Yeah.
It is not that the market price, if it is 100 crores, you will say that tomorrow it is 100 crores, pay 100 crores. It is always big. If it is a hospital, market price at Leelavati may be at 100, 200 crores, but when it gives it for the charity purpose, always it is a discounted price. So whenever this particular musical institution or the cultural institution or any institution, there are different ways, different prices. And of course it is not the same case that 1976 ready reckoner, if they are going to allow it, automatically it has to be changed. It will change maybe to 2010, 2012, 2014, 2016. It is not much of a volume. I could have understood if it would have been whole 29,000 square meter land would have been given to her, and then the whole issue would have been taken up, we could have understood. 29,000 square meter land which the garden is there since so many years. It's not a garden, it's a land,
vacant
it's a barren land. And if you could see now, there is a lot of encroachment which is happening every
yes.
day.
Yes.
And out of 29,000, 27,000 square meter land which is vacant. It is almost 7-acre land. So 7-acre land she has to develop. You know 70 crore how much it is. So 7-acre land to be developed as a garden, what would be the cost?
It's a white elephant for me.
And again, whether she has to walk or her trust has to walk on that land, they have to take a permission. So we have to take as a positive cause, and we have to take it into the consideration. Hema Malini is one of the known figure. She has given her life into it, and now she is MP also from the same party. The party is ruling into Maharashtra and party is ruling into Central. And I feel if you could take it in a positive way, all your questions she'll answer.
Sure, Hema ji, you represent Mathura constituency. So why not open such a big dance academy in Mathura? Why Mumbai?
Arey, Mumbai for the last so many years I struggled, and now I should open only in Mathura or what? Mathura also I am doing it. Yes, I am. वहाँ पे भी मुझे एक मुक्ता काशी auditorium has been given, which I am developing it because it was in a very bad condition. उसको पूरा develop किया है, काफ़ी करोड़ उसमें लगा है. सरकार government is giving, UP सरकार, and there that institute is my Natya Vihar का एक branch is definitely opening there very soon. But Bombay is very important for me. I have been living here for the last so many years. You don't want an institute from Hema Malini?
Would there be a free for all kind of an institute, or would there be a fee that you would be charging for your dance academy? How would it go?
Pardon me?
Would it be a free for all kind of an institute, or would there be a fee that you would be charging? For
No, I won't be charging. It's a free of cost it will be.
Ma'am, this is a time when several politicians who received land in the past convert them into public gardens, are in fact returning those spaces. So is it
That is some kind of other issue. I think he will know it better about that.
You all knows that public spaces. I'll just brief you on this issue. See, these public spaces and the gardens, what you must have got the brief from the political parties. Now that is not, no, I'm just giving you must have got the brief from the political parties. The public spaces or the playgrounds and the recreational grounds, RG and PG, which has been developed by the different people in so many years, which has been allotted to them by Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Correct? In entire Mumbai, the land belongs to revenue first, and then revenue allots that land for different purposes, and then if there is a reservation of school, reservation of primary, secondary, higher schools, they gives it to the BMC. If there is a garden PG and RG attached to the school, it remains with the school. So it is for the use of the school children to play over there. Sometime when there is no school and the PG and RG is located in that area, that PG and RG have been given to NGOs or any of the people which you say sometimes that political people, let's assume.
there's always somebody behind it?
Correct. Let's assume or let's take it into consideration somebody who has taken that plot which is PG and RG. So suppose PG and RG have been taken over by them, which is allowed 10% for the construction on that particular plot. Over a year of 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, whatever the lease BMC has done, those plots have been taken back by the BMC. Again, here is the revenue. This land belongs to revenue department.
Yes, but the principles are the same.
No, principles are different. See, that's why I am trying to tell you, when a land from revenue department has been allotted to somebody for the purpose of any institution, for that matter, if there is a garden,
No, even Horniman Circle is being run.
no, it's different. No, that's why what I am saying. Horniman Circle case, again, Horniman Circle which has been allotted to, I think, Tatas, correct? Tatas have been allotted by whom? Not by revenue department,
Yes.
by BMC.
You're saying that if the BMC had
Correct,
allotted it,
correct.
it was
What am I saying is BMC, whichever the land have been allotted to the different places, different people, maybe NGOs, which has been taken over back by BMC. Now BMC, either BMC has to maintain them, or they have to give it to some NGO by way of lottery or by way of auction. They will charge some taxes on it. So it's a different case. The case related to the open spaces, why they are taking back? Because of the clubs, because of the any other constructions what they have.
private properties.
Correct. So they have taken back. So that issue which is totally different from this issue.
You don't think this will, pardon me for being insolent, you don't think this will ultimately, this caretaking business of 27,000 square meters ultimately becomes a private property?
No,
Not at all.
again. I would like to tell you, 27,000. I'll just, if it is in Marathi, I don't know whether you'll like to hear it. This is automatically says that in point 9, बृहन मुंबई महानगरपालिका ही बगीचाच्या आरक्षणाखालील जमीन वाटपदारी संस्थेने बगीचाचा विकास मीन्स दी ट्रस्ट हु विल डेव्हलप दिस गार्डन हॅज टू गिव्ह इट बॅक टू द कलेक्टर अँड देन कलेक्टर विल हँड ओव्हर टू मुंबई महानगरपालिका.
But after that you also said that the collector or Mahanagarpalika will hand it over to some NGO for maintenance, so it could well come back to you.
No, we see, of course, if it would have been come to us, no, first of all, we don't know what will happen tomorrow, what will happen outside when you will go.
Attached to your school, you could say you developed it, so you have the maintenance of
No, but in that case, they'll have to go for auction, they'll have to go for lottery. And that is the new procedure. That is the new procedure which has not been laid down by the BMC, which I don't know, which you don't know. So let BMC have to notify what is the procedure they are going to do it.
At the moment, I have to make it and hand over to them.
Hand over to them.
Just one last question. In fact, earlier in your first application in '94, you said you had requested for 1714 square meters.
No. See, normally when application goes to any trust or anybody, individual also can apply. You might have seen lot of societies also on the collector land. What they do, they make a society and apply to the collector that we have a society and please give us a land. So then collector says, sorry, this land is reserved for this, we can't give you. So like that she has applied in 1994 saying that I need to build my Natya Vihar Kala Kendra.
So be allotted once again.
Correct.
But
So
how did the allotment then change to 5,000 square meters in the second application?
it's not changed. 5,000 square meter she applied.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So it's a threefold increase
Who-
even
who?
from the first.
No. First allotment they did.
Yes.
Correct? 1,900 square meter.
1,700.
1,700 square meter they have given. 1,741.
That became 5,000 square meters.
She asked 5,000. They did not. She can ask anything. You can ask anything. See, what is to be given to you is government's
I'm
lookout.
saying basically it's a threefold increase from the original.
No, but she got it how much? 2,000. So 300 square meter is 3,000 square feet. Size of this bungalow is increased. It's only increased to 5,000.
हेमा जी अभी तो प्लॉट मिल गया है तो भी इंस्टीट्यूट बनने में कितना वक्त लगेगा, पहला सवाल मेरा है। दूसरा ये कि क्या क्राइटेरिया होगा, आपने बोला कि वो फ्री होगा स्टूडेंट के लिए, तो कैसे स्टूडेंट्स आ पाएंगे? ऐसे तो कोई भी आ सकता है ऐसे।
Yeah, any all kind of children who are interested in learning dance and music, उसके लिए स्पेशली खास तौर पे और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ही होगा, स्पेशली ऑल शेड्यूल कास्ट चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो, एनीबडी हु इज टैलेंटेड हु वांट्स टू लर्न दिस आर्ट are most welcome to come and learn, and then there will be a small auditorium for them to perform, so that the fear of performing and all goes off.
एंड इंस्टीट्यूट बनने में कितना वक्त अब लगेगा? तो अलॉटमेंट हो चुका है।
अभी कितना बिल्डिंग बनाने में लगता है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फर्स्ट फेज में थोड़ा बनाएंगे, थोड़ा करके बनाएंगे, एक साथ में तो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, सो स्लोली इट विल कम अप विद सम क्लासेस एंड ऑल, ऑफिस एरिया एंड क्लासेस. So once we start the whole thing, then slowly it will keep developing.
Hema ji, basically the controversy grew only because you are a BJP MP. Even today, we see some senior leaders like Mr. Sunil Rane, Mr. Jakhar standing by you for maybe defending you. Is that the reason why you think the issue is gaining more momentum because you are a BJP MP?
Maybe that is also part of it, but they are my friends. Not as a BJP person, he is sitting next to me. He has been my friend for the last so many years. So and he understands all these issues much more than me.
It's all in Marathi. So we are in Maharashtra. So
Most
we are
of it all.
supportive to her.
So I asked him what is it. So he used to explain to me. This is what
Is it
it
also
is.
the reason that your work was expedited?
Pardon?
Is it also because that your work is being expedited because you are a BJP MP?
My work has been.
No, work has been expedited. I'll answer that. I understood that question. On behalf of her, she.
Can
अच्छा,
you
okay.
answer that question?
कि आपको ये बहुत जल्दबाजी में दिया, ऐसा उनका कहना है।
जल्दबाजी में कैसा 20 साल आपको जल्दबाजी लग रहा है?
एक सरकार आके महाराष्ट्र में 1 साल होता है।
देखिए बीजेपी और शिवसेना के उस वक्त से ये बात चल रही है. 96 में भी वही देने वाले थे. I remember Bala Saheb Thackeray was very keen to give it, so he only allotted ये हेमा को देना चाहिए, मिलना चाहिए. So with his blessings I got that place, but unfortunately that came under CR zone. So अभी फिर मैंने भी नहीं छोड़ा, like कई लोग हार के बैठ जाते हैं, अरे छोड़ो जाने दो, मैंने नहीं जाने दिया. मैं अभी तक आज तक मैं इसके पीछे पड़ी हूँ. आप लोगों का भी ये कर्तव्य बनता है कि मेरा सपोर्ट करें आप लोग. I am not grabbing some land. I don't know why people are talking all kind of a thing written on the paper. Grabbing this, that. It's nothing like that. I have struggled for this. It is my right to have this place. For the last 20 years I am asking, and everybody were very keen to give, but unfortunately somehow or the other, some this and that, कोई जगह दिखाए वो अच्छा नहीं था, ये चलो ये मिल गया. अभी इसमें जो भी whatever is the procedure, जो गवर्नमेंट का पॉलिसी जो है उसके हिसाब से उसको उल्लंघन न करते हुए अच्छी तरह से हम सब कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन के हिसाब से ही करेंगे. सो यू विल ऑल विल बी वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
मेरा सवाल इसीलिए उठ रहा है कि अगर एक आम आदमी भी कोई मुंबई में कोई भी एकेडमी खोलना चाहता है, चाहे डांस एकेडमी हो, कोई भी एकेडमी हो,
खोले, किसने ना बोला?
उसको इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलेगा. इस आसानी से आपको इतना बड़ा प्लॉट मिलता है, इसलिए सवाल
इतना बड़ा किधर बोल रहे हैं भाई? इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल प्लेस. आई नीड फॉर रनिंग 3 डांस क्लासेस. इससे बड़ा मुझे आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अराउंड 20 स्टूडेंट्स टू बी लर्निंग एट अ टाइम. तो मुझे ऐसा 3-4 कमरा तो चाहिए. तो आई कैन मेक इट वन अबाउट द अदर ना, तो उसके हिसाब से मुझे करना पड़ेगा.
20,000 is not big for my
for
request.
any मुंबई का लोग
No, Mumbaikar should see one thing. That's what I am saying. Let's take it into the positive manner. मुंबई में अच्छे schools आने चाहिए, अच्छे cultural centers खड़े रहने चाहिए. Mumbai is a scarcity of land, but yes, the person who is doing it, it's not a question that whether she is MP from BJP or not. Have she not been MP from BJP? 2010 she was not MP.
Yes.
Congress government was there. Why Congress has given her the clearances? Because it was not a political move.
पॉलिटिकल मूव बिल्कुल नहीं है इसमें.
मुझे लगता है कि I
अभी
think
पॉलिटिकल कर रहे हैं सब उसको. From the beginning, I am an artist from here, and then people
आप
have been
सबको
fond
हेमा
of
जी की
me.
तरफ से भूमि पूजन के लिए वो बुलाएंगी.
हाँ जी, आप सबको आना पड़ेगा.
That's great. I mean, you pursue classical and you also want classical to be here in India. You belong to Bollywood also, so will you also be teaching Bollywood dances?
First main concentration is going to be Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Kathak, all classical dances importance देंगे, music का भी. उसके बाद if they in Bollywood का अगर if anybody wants to learn, there will be maybe a weekly once classes. I have not yet thought of anything like that, but it is my dream to teach classical dance to everybody, most of the children who comes there.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.